Welcome back to Autobike Pro. Today we take a closer look at the 2026 Harley Davidson Sportster S, a motorcycle that continues to redefine what the Sportster lineup means. Known for blending Harley's iconic styling with modern performance, the 2026 model arrives with fresh updates that make it bolder, faster, and more advanced than ever before. Design and styling. The Sportster S has always stood out with its muscular, low-slung design, and the 2026 version sharpens this identity further. A wide front tire, aggressive stance, and sculpted bodywork give the bike an unmistakable presence. Minimal body panels and matte color options highlight Harley's focus on stripped-down performance, while premium finishes keep the bike looking sharp and modern. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 Sportster S is the 1,250 cubic centimeters Revolution Max V-twin engine, tuned for thrilling acceleration and a broad torque curve. Riders can expect explosive power off the line, a top speed well above earlier Sportsters, and a refined ride thanks to Harley's advanced liquid cooling and variable valve timing. This bike isn't just about style. It's built to deliver performance that rivals modern sport cruisers. Technology and features. Harley has packed the Sportster S with modern rider aids. The TFT display provides a clear interface for navigation, ride modes, and bike stats. Advanced ABS, traction control, cornering safety enhancements, and multiple ride modes ensure riders can push the machine confidently. LED lighting, Bluetooth connectivity, and improved suspension round out the package, making this a true next-gen Harley. Riding experience. The 2026 Sportster S delivers an aggressive yet comfortable ride. Its low seat height and forward controls put the rider in a commanding position, while the suspension has been tuned for better stability at high speeds. Whether carving through city streets or stretching out on the highway, the bike feels powerful, planted, and endlessly engaging. This is a Harley designed for riders who want adrenaline as much as style. Conclusion. The 2026 Harley Davidson Sportster S represents the future of Harley's muscle cruiser segment, blending raw V-twin power with cutting-edge technology and unmistakable American style. It's bold, modern, and ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about Harley Davidson. Stay connected with Autobike Pro for more in-depth looks at the motorcycles shaping the next generation of riding.